Hello, it's Miss Kelsey from the Crim Fitness Foundation. Today's healthy tasting is MyPlate Silly Faces. Let's get started. For today's MyPlate Silly Face, I am using roasted red pepper hummus, a rice cake, cherry tomatoes, a cucumber, yellow bell pepper, and cauliflower. Before you begin your MyPlate Silly Face, make sure you wash your hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. Now I'm going to be using a knife to prep my vegetables, but if you are too young to be using a sharp knife, make sure you have an adult help you first. Now I'm going to start with my cucumber, and I'm going to just make some slices. And then I'm going to slice up my bell pepper. Now a lot of people think that bell peppers are spicy peppers, but these are actually super sweet and juicy and delicious. So I'm just gonna take a little piece off of my pepper. Then I'm gonna cut my tomatoes in half. Lastly, I'm just gonna cut my cauliflower into smaller pieces. Now we have all of our vegetables are cut and ready. To assemble your MyPlate Silly Face, you're gonna take your rice cake, and I'm using hummus, but you can use whatever spread you like, if you like cream cheese instead. But hummus is really high in protein and it's really delicious. You're just gonna spread it on your rice cake to help your vegetables stick. And then you can assemble your face however you would like. So I'm going to use my cucumber for my eyes. And I'm gonna do a big red cherry nose. And then I'm gonna use my bell pepper for my smile. And maybe put some cauliflower for my ears. And I might cut my bell pepper for some eyebrows. And once you're done assembling, you can enjoy your silly face. Thanks for joining along. I hope you enjoyed this healthy snack. See you next time.